program my movements. First, try making my head nod. Good. Now, rock my body forward. Now we're moving. Can you make my chest puff? That's a breath of fresh air. Now, turn my head left and right. Well done. How about opening deep? Astounding! You're a real animator. Now let's see what you can really do.
What does he have to do here? Is he moving him? Whoa!
Are you controlling Carmen?
Is this from like the tiki room? Oh, look at his
And now,
his
it's
head.
showtime.